everyone, and welcome to TP-Link. Today, we're going to be unboxing the new Tapo C420S2 security camera. The Tapo C420S2 is a 2K QHD camera with a wide range of features, including night vision, motion detection, and two-way audio. It's also very affordable, making it a great option for people on a budget. Let's get started with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the camera itself, a power adapter, a mounting bracket, and a quick start guide. The camera is very compact and lightweight, making it easy to mount anywhere. It also has a sleek and modern design, so it will look great in any home or office. Now, let's take a look at some of the features of the Tapo C420S2. The camera has a 2K QHD resolution, which means that it can capture very clear and detailed images. The camera has excellent night vision, so you can see what's happening even in low-light conditions. It also has motion detection, so you can be alerted if someone is on your property. You can receive alerts on your smartphone or tablet, or you can have the camera record video when it detects motion. Another feature that the camera packs is that the Tapo C420S2 will detect the solar panel and automatically optimize the charging algorithm to compensate for solar operation. Tapo A100 battery pack extends the usage time up to 180 days of your Tapo battery-powered cameras, freeing you from frequent charging. Overall, the Tapo C420S2 is a great security camera for the price.